Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial component for anyone relying on a receipt printer. The replacement printhead for models like the ROHM KD2002-DC75C, often found in the PRTA 13655 receipt printer. For businesses, a malfunctioning receipt printer can bring operations to a halt, and more often than not, the printhead is the culprit. This particular part is designed to breathe new life into those essential machines. Now, one of the most important things to note right off the bat, and something the seller is very transparent about, is the item condition. When you order this printhead, you might receive either an original refurbished unit or a compatible new one. The specific condition is sent by random, and the seller explicitly states that if this variability is a concern for you, it's best not to place an order. This level of honesty is quite refreshing, as it sets clear expectations up front. It means buyers need to be comfortable with either option, understanding that both are intended to restore functionality. Beyond the condition, the absolute golden rule for anyone considering this replacement part is meticulous comparison. The seller cannot stress enough the importance of carefully checking the item's appearance, its size, and even its color. You absolutely must compare it with your original printhead before finalizing your purchase. This isn't just a suggestion, it's a critical step to ensure compatibility and avoid disappointment. While model numbers like PRTA 13655 are provided for reference, they aren't the sole determinant. If the replacement part doesn't visually match your original, or if the part number isn't identical, it's strongly advised against ordering. This diligence ensures a perfect fit for your specific machine, preventing any installation headaches down the line. The printhead operates on a 110V voltage, which is standard for many regions, and each package contains one piece, ready for installation. Ultimately, for those facing a failing receipt printer, this replacement printhead offers a potentially cost-effective solution to extend the life of their equipment. It's about getting those receipts printing smoothly again, ensuring business continuity without the immediate need for a full printer replacement. Just remember those key points about condition, and most importantly, the visual and part number comparison to your existing unit. Taking those precautions will lead to a much smoother and successful repair experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.